Welcome back, Kerry, to Hong Kong. You have worked here for a couple of years and afterwards in New York, and now you're in London in a global role. Do you see what are the differences between Asia and other markets now that you have made your full tour globally?
One thing that really strikes me actually is the similarities that we see in client needs and the types of business we write. Yeah, we see different regulatory regimes, so the form of these transactions is slightly different, but we see these common themes of the ongoing questions of how do you maximise value of your in-force, and then how do you bring stability both in your in-force but enabling new business growth as well. So really struck by similarities rather than differences, which is one of my big takeaways. So can I ask you, how do you see this landscape of capital management evolving, both for Swiss Re and insurers in the APAC market?
Yes. So previously, when we work with our insurance clients, typically we only work with their reinsurance managers and the reinsurance team on very basic traditional biometric risk transfer. So we're going through the growth cycles where the clients focus much more on the products and less so on their in-force book and balance sheet. But over the years, due to also the regulatory changes and with the regimes are much more market consistent, we're increasingly getting requests to work together with their CFOs and the capital management teams to design solutions and optimize their balance sheet and capital structure. And that requires a much deeper understanding and building the trust and partnerships with our clients to understand their existing portfolios such that we can both achieve an effective solutions that Swiss Re could provide to the market.
You've been in the region now for 3-4 years, leading transactions in the Asia-Pac region. What are the current themes that you're seeing from our clients?
With the continuous growth pressure of our clients in Asia, we see three main themes for the main requests that come to us as a reinsurer for support. Firstly is cash financing. How do they generate more liquidity to support the growth of the business, to pay commissions? And second is about interest rate risk management with the different markets and the different trends of interest rates, the volatility that's happening globally, how that affects our clients in this region, and they are demanding more solutions also in the reinsurance form and support from us. And thirdly, it's sort of hybrid solutions that combining different pieces to optimize the balance sheet overall.
So actually you talk about interest rates, management and volatility. Maybe can I ask you to just give me a bit more background on that?
Sure. As we're seeing globally, the interest rate trends has been really volatile over the last few years due to various reasons. And in Asia, we're seeing the trends are going in different directions for different countries as well. For example, interest rate has been in the record low level in China, where that's the top of mind of a lot of our Chinese insurance companies, our clients, and that is the trend that they are managing towards. Whereas in Japan, for example, they are coming out for decades low of interest rates right now, and they are facing a very different challenges, seeing the interest rate are trending up. And so while it's all branded under interest rate risk management, the trends and the side of the risk that people are looking at could be very different across Asia.